Alright, yeah, our code for client side is done. Now I'll be doing server side code. So I'll create a folder called server, and in there I'll create a server thread.java file. So this will extend thread class as well. The We'll receive socket and list of active thread from the main.java using a constructor. So for that, let's we'll create an array list of so the constructor will receive list of active thread from our main.java of our server file. Right, we'll override the run method, which will be called from server side main file. So in order to read the input from the client side, we'll use buffer reader. So to return the output to the client, we'll use print writer. So we'll be doing adding the true statement in order to flush the buffer. So we'll create an infinite loop for server so that we can listen to all the client requests. We'll also create a method called print to all clients. So this method will send the output to each client in the thread. So we'll be implementing the logic later on. Let's just create the method right now. So we'll just throw an exception if in case we get some. Okay, distractors. So our run method is now counted, and let's implement a print to all client method. Right. Okay, and let's create an loop so that we can send the message to all the clients. So yeah, we are now done with the server threaded Java, but still I see some error in here. But okay, let's figure it out later on. So now let's implement main.java file on our server side. We'll create an array list of server thread. To add all the client thread in here. So we'll use a server socket class here. So that points to a specific port number, which will be 5000 in this case. We'll then create an infinite loop in here. So the socket class will listen for a connection with the client and accept it. Socket will start our thread now. All the threads are added to an array list so that multiple clients can send the message to each other. So we'll throw an exception if we encounter any. So okay, why is it getting me an error? All right, so oh okay, I forgot to add no, I forgot to, oh, I forgot to add plus statement in plus in there. Okay, yeah. So here is count now.